let's open it. Can you take the green bow off? Here. Here. What is it? Ooh. What is it? Phone? You got a phone?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah? And what's your shirt say? What's your shirt say? Can you say thank you? Thank you? You say cool. What's that one? You want to open that one?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you tear it open? What color's the bow? It's pretty? Can you take the bow off? And tear it open. Yeah. That's cool. It says hello.
Yeah.
How do you open it? Need help? Here. What color is it? Red. Open. You want me to open the phone?
Yeah.
Okay, what is that?
Red.
Red. Red shirt. Hey, say thank you. Can you blow me some kisses? For Grandma D and Granddaddy. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Say thank you. Happy birthday, Wilder. How old is Wilder? How old is Wilder? Can you tell me? Hoo-hoo! I'm 2! Are you hoo-hoo?